whoops. Whoa. I actually missed it. Hey guys, so today I'm doing my first ever options trading session, and I've actually already completed a couple of successful ones for very little money. Right now I'm waiting on a long position on AMD. Hopefully it goes back up, but I thought I'd just take this waiting time to walk you through what I did today. Disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I am a complete beginner. I watched Haza's video and how he was just buying and selling SPY, and it looked like he was making money so consistently. That's kind of what drew me into trying it out. And also the reason I decided I like to trade options, or at least try, is because your downside is limited. I think the one thing that always kept me from day trading stock is you could potentially lose all of your money and a lot of it at once if the whole stock drops, and that's something I was never comfortable with. But with options, because you can, if you're just buying calls or puts, your loss is limited to the value of your contract, and that is something really enticing to me. So yeah, I can walk you through the trades I made today. And again, I've never done this before. This is something very outside of my comfort zone. I'm using a very small amount of money just to play around with. I actually think I will be locked out of my account soon because this is my fourth trade, and I was so excited about trading that I didn't think about the PDT rule. And that rule is if you don't have $25,000 in your account, if you make more than 3 trades or 4 trades, you'll get in trouble. They don't let you do that because they think you'll be irresponsible with your money. So these are the trades I've made today so far, and I'm watching AMD on another screen just in case. 3 hours ago, right now it's 12:43 p.m. on a Monday, I did a buy for one contract with a strike price of $336. That cost me $265 to buy this contract. I sold it at $277, so I made $12, and that was a rush. I've never done that before. It was really cool to be able to make $12 from only a $265 investment. If you're just playing with stocks, you wouldn't be able to get that much return from just little movements of the stock. My second call, bought it for $245, sold it for $255, $10 profit. And my last action on SPY was bought a put for $273, sold it for $275 because I don't know what I'm doing. I have a very vague knowledge of what's going up, what's going down, buying it at peaks and troves, the bottom peaks, whatever they're called. But this is just to hopefully show you what it's like and what is possible, but also just to document this journey. Don't copy anything I do, but hopefully this is a good reference point, and we'll see if I can even make money today off this AMD play, because this is definitely my riskiest play. It's been super volatile today. Let's go back and just stare at what's happening. When I bought it at around right here. I thought it had bottomed out, but it just kept dropping. And I know AMD is a pretty stable company, so I'm just assuming that it should go up, but I've been hovering around this number for a while, and I don't know if it'll go up, but that's totally fine. Again, I'm playing with an amount of money that I'm okay with losing. This is just for fun and a learning experience. But to recap, my SPYs, I wasn't greedy. I definitely just cashed out a little bit of money at a time. But SPY is very stable, and AMD is also very stable, but it seems to be a little less stable. So even though I invested $258 in this, at one point I was down almost 40%. I was down like $60 to $80. That just shows you how risky this is. $60 to $80, down 40%. A stock movement would never, for AMD, it would never drop 40%, or it's very unlikely. But if you're playing with options, it could drop a lot, but it could also go up a lot. But again, the benefit of options is that no matter what, if my contract expires worthless, The max amount I could lose is $258. That's amount I can live with. Limited downside, $258, but very, very high potential upside. Right now for me, this is definitely akin to gambling because I don't really know enough. Markets close in about 3 hours, so hopefully by that time I would have been back in the green. If not, I will likely be in the red, hopefully not more than $40. It is Monday, 1:08 p.m. and I am in the money. Oh my gosh, I am so in the money. Look at this. $47 plus 18.2%. Whoa, that's pretty cool. I don't know, how greedy should I get? I definitely want to see it ride. I mean, who doesn't? Man, this is really crazy. I think I'm going to set a limit order. How much do I want to sell it for? I think it'll probably keep going up, actually. Should I wait? What do you guys think? I mean, you can't tell me what to do because when I upload this, it'll be too late, but I should probably just take a $50 profit. I know one trader I was following, I think it was Steven Ducks, says he doesn't even look at the profits. He just looks at the charts, and that way he makes the right moves regardless of how much money he's winning or losing, and I really like that strategy, but I don't really know enough to know when is the optimal technical time to get out of it based on the charts, so I can only really understand profit and return. Because today's a learning day, I think I'm just gonna let it ride. I still don't understand how people can consistently predict this stuff just because you don't know how the market behaves, but I guess what they're saying is that there are consistent patterns, and maybe those patterns are based on how people trade. A lot of trading is still done by people, and people have predictable behaviors, and most people are predictably not optimal in their trading behavior. Therefore, if you are slightly more calm and collected, you can recognize those behaviors and make money within the margins of people's errors. Is that how we're making money? I don't know. Let me know if that even makes sense, but that's how I think it might work. Alright, so we've been hovering around $47. There seems to be some resistance. This is a new term I just learned because resistance means it's kind of not being able to get past that hump. Here, I'll show you the chart I'm staring at. It could go back to 85, right? That's totally reasonable. If I was playing with a lot more money, I would definitely just cash out now. A 20%, 21% gain that's more than good enough. Even 10% would be good enough. All right, I think I'm just gonna pull out now. I don't wanna sit here staring at it all day, so I'm gonna set a limit price. Oh, whoops. Whoa. Sell to close. I definitely want to sell to close. I actually missed it. It dropped that down to 301 and now it's down to 2.96. I missed the $50 mark. See, that's what happened because I got too greedy. But there's still almost 3 hours left in the trading day, so it's likely it'll go back up. That's the scary thing with options, which I'm learning now live in front of you, how truly volatile it is. The actual AMD stock is not hovering by that much. It's hovering by cents. But then our options, the return it's fluctuating very, very big compared to the stock. It's going back up. Now I feel tempted to just sell right now and take my $37 profit, but that wouldn't be very disciplined of me. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go eat some lunch/breakfast and we'll just ride it out. Alright, so I got some cereal, came back, and it's going up again. Currently, market value of my contract at $301, and I put a limit order to sell at $3.10. So let's just wait. Life hack, cereal isn't really that healthy, it's just a lot of carbs, but what I like to do is put half a scoop of unflavored protein. Once you put that unflavored protein into it, it's high protein, there's carbs, and very low fat. The milk adds even more protein, so it's a macro-wise a very good meal. So it's Monday in the afternoon. I just closed my position about 20 minutes ago in the green. So I bought the contract at $258 and I exited at $293 for a grand total profit of $35. That was my AMD play, and then I had 3 SPY plays, which I made $12, $10, and $2. So $24 plus $35. Today, for my first day of day trading options, I made a grand total of $59, and I am ecstatic about this result because I went in totally ready to lose money because I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but luckily having some basic knowledge of trends and knowing to roughly buy when it seems like we're at the lowest point and selling high and not getting too greedy definitely paid off. This was really, really fun and definitely a learning experience. I don't like being so uninformed about everything, so I'm going to read a lot more about how to read candlesticks, and now I'm just getting a glimpse of what is possible. And now I understand that when you day trade, it's different from swing trading because it matters a lot less what the market is doing as a whole. It just matters more whether or not you can see patterns, and I can see that there are some patterns that are starting to emerge. This was my first time, and don't do anything I do. Again, this is just for entertainment. Most people lose money. More than 90% of people lose money when they try this. So if you do, it's at your own risk. Personally, today I had fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful at all. There's a lot of experts out there, but how often do you see somebody as clueless as me? And hopefully I will make you feel better with some of my decision making and thought processes, because they will not make a lot of sense, or you can laugh at me and say this dude is really stupid for making these decisions. But hopefully you can watch me learn and you can learn from my mistakes. And yeah, I will see you all next time.